Welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home with some more blends for you to practice reading and spelling, a bit of application of your phonics, and also making sure that we recognise when phonics can't be used to help you sound out a word and you need to rely on some other strategies like sight words or thinking about rhyme and things like that. So the first sound that I want you to sound out at home today is this one. So do that one now. S, teeth together, s, well done. And the second one is this. T, 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 both with the front of the mouth teeth. And then together, you blend them together. So we've got st, st, okay, st. Okay, so we're going to think of some words today that have this at the start. So this consonant cluster can appear anywhere in a word. Quite often you get words that end with st as well, or it can come in the middle. But today we're going to think about words that start with this. In fact, start is one itself, isn't it? So I'm going to start you off with this one. Stop, stop. And now it is your turn to pause the video and write down as many words as you can that start with st. Okay, off you go. Right, let's share some of the words that I have done. There were loads and loads for this, really common consonant cluster, lots and lots of words that start with this blend. So I expect you'll have lots that I didn't as well. But see, it's a good time for you to practice your reading. So I'll hold the words up, you can sound it out using the sound buttons, and then we'll read them together. So that is a stay. And stand. Let's do this one. Step, step. And this one. Stink, stink. And if you put a Y on the end, that would make stinky. And then this one I've chosen because a couple of weeks ago we did this word, which is all, and we thought of words that rhymed with all because this, the letter A, when it's got the L's after it, makes that all sound. So I have done all, stool, stool. Okay, so as you can see, I've only put a few together for you there, but I know that you will have loads and loads more. Now your next job is to have a look at some of those words and to think about a sentence that you might write. Now when you're thinking of writing a sentence, it's a good idea to say your sentence first. So you can think of a word like oh, I'm going to maybe try and write a sentence with the word stay in. And we're using that word a lot at the moment because we have to stay at home. So maybe we could write that as a sentence. We have to stay at home. So you can say that sentence and you can count the words in your sentence. So you know when you write, you can write one word at a time. So we have to stay at home. 6 words. So when I write that sentence, there should be 6 words in that sentence. And I can say, right, the first word was we. Think of my tricky word we, write down we. And the next word have, that's one of our sight words, write down have, and you can do it like that. That's a good sentence writing strategy, especially as you're learning to build longer sentences, remembering that capital letter and full stop at the end. So my sentence, and I managed to get a few more words of that in, but I still use that same strategy. Let's see if you can read this one. Okay, we had to stop and stay still, full stop. So we had to stop and stay still. So I have got 3 words in that, but you can just pick one. And remember, this is about practicing your sentence writing as well and spelling those words correctly in your sentence. Okay, good luck with that. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.